the light, the love, the law will be triumphant. There is no way it cannot. It is already victorious and triumphant, because everything else is on its way out, on its way down. You understand? The degradation, the violation, the humiliation, the stupidity, the ignorance of people who have been so-called educated and vied for, placed in government and have all these positions, and then they don't have love enough to stand up on behalf of the right of children to not be undermined. It's like, okay, you are wrong, but then you don't want to be corrected. You don't want to accept correction. And so, no, let's accept the correction. Let's honor the right of children to have the right to their lives. Stop giving them deep fried chicken tumors, called what they call them, chicken tumors. That's what they start giving them, chicken nuggets. Chickens are full of tumors that are cancerous because of all of the garbage that they're being fed. They're being fed ground up other chickens. You understand? I'm just saying, stop feeding children garbage. Stop eating it. Oh, well, you can't tell us what to do. I'm suggesting that you get into your right mind, or be out here on some stupid and be paying the price of the stupidity. So somebody got to care to tell you. Somebody got to get, well, I'm the one to tell you. Why? Because I'm the one that cares. Who cares about you to tell you that you are the detriment to yourself? They want you to think that you got a right to be wrong. I'm like, that ain't right. Ain't nothing right about you being right to be wrong.